Let's check out Dillon State Park. We'll do a hike around the beach area. Hey, we're getting ready to start a hike at the Bald Loop at Dillon State Park. It is a 1 mile loop, so we're going to come into this entrance, walk around for a mile, and come out to this entrance. It's real convenient here because it's right next to the beach. So we're going to take a hike here. This also happens to be a mountain bike trail, so you do want to be mindful that there could be mountain bikers on there, potentially even some deer and some rabbits. So let's get moving. Hey, we're out hiking on the Bald Loop at Dillon State Park, and as you can tell, this is a grass loop. It has 2 access points from the beach parking lot, and so wherever you start, you can loop around and finish at your starting point. Most of it is grass like this, and once in a while you'll get to some dirt, and that dirt is there because there are mountain bikers on this trail as well. So if you're here hiking, you want to make sure that you are paying attention to what's coming up behind you. And this is an intersection I've stopped at because this is a hidden gem here at Dillon State Park. If you are in a hurry, you could easily keep going and miss what we're about to show you. What we're about to show you is this trail right here. This is the Cypress Bald Swamp, and this is a part of Dillon State Park that has been set up for us to hike through. So we're going to show you.